Bravo. Come on, my guy. I did trust you. Like, you look like you are very mature. You look like you are emotionally up there. You don't like present yourself your age. But now you are being accused of being deadbeat. Hi, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Yesterday or the day before yesterday, baby mama of Bravo B came can blazing saying that how could Bravo B actually be comfortable in making sure that the other person's son is happy while he's not in for his own child. Maybe that's the truth. But let's just break down this thing. Né? The first thing, it might be jealous. You know, when some people are in a relationship with you, they believe that you are their world and their world will end with you. But when you feel like that's a bit of a wrong idea of living, you know, the world must not end with another person, it must end with you yourself. So they become very jealous and they believe that you can never get happiness anywhere. And especially for baby mothers and baby fathers in South Africa, we are used to this behavior that uh, I will use the kid as a token to actually abuse you, to emotionally deteriorate you, to damage you in essence. And then when you leave, because I'm jealous and I'm narcissistic, I cannot actually come to terms with that. But another thing, it might not be jealous. It could be that Bravo B is actually a deadbeat. My thing is that guys his age are emotionally immature. I mean, people will argue with me, say that 26 is an older age. But in reality, when you come back to reality, younger guys are emotionally immature, and having that person in your life is actually more toxic than being away from you and the child, because a child does not need a stable parents. He needs a parents that is there emotionally, physically, financially. But such guys, they can be there financially, they can be there physically, but not be there emotionally for the emotional well-being of the child. And that will leave a scar that will last for a lifetime. I'm telling you, emotional scars, they don't have any antiseptics, they don't have any bandages that you can put on top of them. So crying about it on social media, you're only making matters worse for your own son, because your son will come one day and see that mother was fighting for me and that against the family that he chooses to love. Sometimes as children we grow up and we understand that, okay, you choose to love this family, it's fine, maybe there's nothing wrong with me, it's just that this is the people you choose to live with. But when it comes to Trixie, why are we dragging Trixie into this situation, guys? Remember that Trixie and Bravo, if this is true, they met when Bravo already had a child. So how can Trixie change a broken thing that has already been broken? How is that Trixie's problem? I mean, even if they get married, guys, this is something that people have problem or I think misconception in. Even if they get married, Bravo B's child will never be Trixie's child unless she adopts, unless Bravo B also adopts, then they become their children together. But it does not automatically mean that you are responsible for other people's children. Even if you are married, you need to do it legally. And Trixie is not forced by any law in South Africa to say, I'm going to support Bravo B's child. You know what I mean? So otherwise, I just see it very wrong for you guys to drag Trixie into this situation. Bravo B had a child before he meets Trixie. He has to sort it out with his baby mama and tell baby mama that you are putting my reputation on the line here. I'm trying to get off the ground, work for our kid, maybe. So when you're going online and actually dragging my name before even my name can make it up there, Bravo B is still building a brand. He's in a building phase. And then you have such, reputation. But I don't think reputation matters in South Africa. I mean, people are working with the worst reputation. Worst. Working. So, Bravo B, you will work, and if this is the truth, please go back to your child. But do you think yourself, do you think that the baby mama is just being dramatic, jealousy, or indeed Bravo B is a deadbeat? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Goodbye.